How to change language settings in YouTube TV. Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to change the language settings in YouTube TV. This can include changing the app interface language or selecting audio tracks in different languages for available content. Let's find out how to do it. Changing the interface language for the YouTube TV app is usually tied to the language settings of the device you are using. For example, if your smart TV, streaming stick, or mobile phone is set to Spanish, the YouTube TV app interface may also appear in Spanish if that language is supported. To change the interface language, you would typically need to go into the main system settings of your device and change the display language there. Now, for changing the audio language for specific content, YouTube TV offers alternative audio tracks when they are available for a program. While watching content, you can often access audio options. Start playing a show or movie on YouTube TV. Bring up the playback controls by pressing a button on your remote or tapping the screen. Look for an icon that represents audio or language settings. This might be a gear icon or an icon with multiple sound waves. Select this icon. A menu should appear with options for audio tracks. If multiple languages are available for the content you are watching, you will see a list of the available audio tracks, such as English, Spanish, or SAP, Secondary Audio Program. Select the language you want to hear. The audio for the program should then switch to the selected language. Keep in mind that not all programs on YouTube TV have multiple audio language options. The availability of different language tracks depends on the broadcast or source of the content. We hope this video helped you understand how to change language settings in YouTube TV, both for the interface and for audio tracks. If you found this information useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.